Miaka itatũ kuma rĩrĩa yũkirie wĩra ta gavana wa kana wa kaunti ya Nairobi, Rĩu Johnson Sakaja arĩ ũgwati-inĩ wa kweherio kuma gĩturwa-inĩ kĩu thutha wa MCA makĩria ma 90 a kaunti ya Nairobi kũiguithanĩria kwambĩrĩria mĩhang'o ya kũmũhagũra.
Yale tumesema ni kwamba tumechoka kuenda kupiga magoti kwa gavana. Tumechoka kupigia ma-CEC na ma-chief officer. Wamekuwa wao ndio wanafanya mambo, maendeleo inafanyika mtaani, lakini hawahusishi hata bunge. Wameanza kutengeneza ma-coordinators wao huko ndio wafanyie wananchi kazi, ili hali wanaondoa MCS.
Kũringana na MCA ya matuĩte itua rĩa kwambĩrĩria mĩhang'o ya kũhagũra Sakaja nĩ ũndũ wa mathĩna matiganĩte marĩa makoretwo magũmĩire kaunti ya Nairobi ta gwĩkururia gwa tabarĩra itiganĩte cia ũthii wa na mbere.
There are so many stalled projects within the wards, and the residents of Nairobi have been asking why those projects have not yet been completed. The members are also saying that the governor is not in touch, completely in touch, both with the crowd and with this assembly, the members of this assembly. 3/4 of the members who make calls to the governor, he does not reply or call back to these members. So there is a question of communication.
Thĩna ta ũyũ wa mwena wa Kariobangi Nairobi wa maĩ ma gĩko kwaraha barabara-inĩ o hamwe na barabara nyingĩ gũthũkanga nginyagia aikari makarũrũngana na gwakia mĩaki barabara-inĩ ta wadi-inĩ ya Roysambu nĩ mamwe ma maũndũ marĩa gavana arerĩkana akoretwo akĩhingĩra maitho.
Na kama ameshindwa na kuokota takataka ya Muthurwa, takataka ya Marikiti, I have to remind him. I have to remind the executive. Kila wakati nawatumia videos ambazo nimetumiwa na wananchi. Mimi sitaendelea kukula uchungu ya wananchi. Leo si kazi yangu. Kama ameshindwa na kazi yake, together with the executive, wapake waende nyumbani.
Huo msimamo wa signature sisi tumeachia viongozi wetu na tumewaambia tuko tayari kuweka, kama ni signatures zinahitajika za impeachment, we as members tuko tayari kuweka kidole na ili Nairobi iweze kunyooka.
One of the resolutions that have been passed by the members here today is that both the governor of Nairobi and his deputy must start packing. And we are not threatening, we are going to do it.
Kũringana na MCA ya Nairobi, kiumia gĩũkĩte nĩguo magakorwo makĩambĩrĩria mĩhang'o ya kũngania irore cia kũhagũra gavana Sakaja, gũkĩrĩkana rĩrĩ ti rita rĩa mbere mĩhang'o ta ĩno ya kũmũhagũra yarĩirwo, ĩndĩ hau kabere ndĩakinyanĩire ona kana gũtamanio bunge-inĩ ya kaunti ya Nairobi. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Kate Muthoni.